Hey guys, it's Jen here with Creative Minus Playbook, and I've been getting asked a lot of questions regarding what is the difference between the masterclasses that you have on your website and the 3-month program that's coming out. So I want to break it down real quick for you. The masterclasses are awesome. They are 1 hour, 60 minutes, presentation style with an action-taking PDF on whatever topic it is that we covered that night. So for instance, we have one on negotiation, we have one on rent to own, and it's as much information as we could possibly put into 60 minutes, but that's it, right? So with the 3-month program, it's actually going to be a total of 6 modules plus 3 bonuses at the time of this recording, and we are going to walk you through step by step, breaking down systems, processes, and then also going live once each one of those 3 months. So you'll get 3 lives with Jen and Joe, a bonus if you sign up early and pay in full, and you'll get access to all of the recordings. Each module will open up every other week, so you'll have plenty of time to go through and watch them, and it's really way more in depth, a lot more information, a ton more agreements, contracts, scripts, checklists, like a ton of stuff. I know we're over delivering. We're practically giving this away at the price that it's at right now. So I encourage you to check it out. If you're not ready for that kind of commitment, then the masterclass might be the best fit for you. And that would just be for $77. You grab the 60-minute class and just start learning. And if neither of those are a great fit, then be sure to follow us on YouTube, because every week we go live and then we throw that recording up there, and love sharing as much as we possibly can with you, especially in this changing market.